Is your optical module not working properly? Here are 5 common issues that can help you identify and fix network faults. First, check the fiber connection. Loose connections or damaged fiber can cause intermittent communication. Ensure all connections are secure. If the fiber is damaged, replace it immediately. Second, check for contamination. Dirt on the fiber or optical module end face can increase insertion loss or even interrupt the link. Clean fiber cables with fiber cleaning cloth paper. For module end faces, carefully clean with a fine tool dipped in alcohol. When not in use, always keep fiber cables and optical modules covered with dust cap. Third, check the module parameters. Differences in speed, wavelength, or transmission distance can prevent the optical link from working. Always verify compatibility before use and replace mismatched modules. Fourth, check the fiber type. Single-mode modules require OS2, while multi-mode modules require OM3, OM4, or compatible cables. Make sure the module and fiber cable types match. Finally, check device compatibility. Incompatible modules and devices can cause malfunction. Many genuine modules require same brand compatibility codes. Universal compatible modules, like Syrotech, offer wider brand compatibility, full functionality, cost savings, and reliable warranty support. Syrotech optical modules are high-quality solutions compatible with all major brands. Visit www.syrotech.com to learn more.